Welcome to The Source, where we combine the headlines with in-depth conversations with the newsmakers themselves. Sitting in for Pinky Webb, I'm Ria Tanwat Cotrillo. Today on the program, justice served. The killer of overseas Filipino worker in Kuwait, Julie B. Ranara, has been convicted of murder. We speak to her brother, Mark Reyes, live on the show. More Chinese fishing vessels swarming the West Philippine Sea alarms the armed forces. AFP spokesperson Medel Aguilar tells us more later in the program. And commuters fear the impact of the looming increase in jeepney fares. Piston President Modi Floranda joins us later in the show. Justice is served for overseas Filipino worker Julie B. Ranara, whose body was found burned and mangled in a Kuwaiti desert in January. Her killer, Turki Ayed Al-Azmi, was convicted and sentenced to 15 years in prison for murder and 1 year of incarceration for driving without a license. Foreign Affairs Undersecretary Eduardo De Vega says Al-Azmi, who is the son of Ranara's Kuwaiti employer, was given lesser penalties because he is a minor. Now let's go straight to the source of the story, the brother of Julie B. Ranara, Mark Reyes, and of course, Julie B's mother, Norlinda Cabiles. So magandang umaga po sa inyo, Sir Mark and Ma'am Norlinda. Thank you for being here po.
Magandang umaga.
Alright, so simulan na po natin, no, kung pwede, sa reaksyon ng pamilya Ranara sa naging desisyon ng Kuwaiti court na i-convict ang suspect na pumaslang sa inyong kapatid at inyong anak.
Ngayon po na medyo mixed emotion po kami na masaya na medyo malungkot kasi hindi namin expect yung ganong sentence lang.
So, ibig sabihin nun, gusto nyo ng sana mas mahabang prison time po?
Yes po. Ayun lang po yung gusto namin kasi sila naman po ang nagsabi, an eye for an eye, blood to blood.
And para sa inyo naman, Ma'am Norlinda, ano pong naging reaksyon nyo nung lumabas yung conviction?
Yun po, malungkot, masaya kasi kahit paano nagawa po ng gobyerno yung dapat gawin.
So at this point po, masasabi niyo po ba na nakamit niyo na po ang hustisya para kay Julie B?
Hindi po masyado kasi hindi po sapat ganun ng justisya na nakapoy.
Alright. Mark, para sa'yo naman, ano ang gusto nyo pang mangyari? Ideally, gusto nyo ba yung lifetime imprisonment?
Yes.
Yeah, but they said na ganito talaga ang batas doon. So, kasi nga minor. So, parang wala tayong magagawa doon eh. So, meron silang sariling batas na ganun yung mahaton lang. So, kahit gustuin ba natin na more na parang sentence doon, wala tayong magagawa kung yun ang naging decision ko.
Right. Now, through all of this, Mark, may pagtatangka bang alokin kayo ng blood money para isettle itong kaso ni Julie B?
Actually, wala kaming balak alam mo yun, yung blood money na yan. Kasi, like sa mga interview namin dati, panindigan namin yung blood to blood, eye for an eye.
Now, it's been several months, of course, since the passing of Julie B. Nay, kamusta na po ang pamilya nyo 7 buwan matapos ang malagim na trahedya?
Medyo okay naman po. Ngayon po is nasa ano na po kami. So, binigyan po ng bahay ni BBM. Nandun na po kami sa Daig. mga anak ni Jollibee kasama ko na po doon.
Mhm.
Nilipat na po kami doon sa bahay na binigay ng BBM.
I see po.
Po pinagpapatuloy yung pag-aaral ng mga bata.
Okay. Kamusta naman po ang mga anak ni Jollibee ngayon?
Ayun po, nag-aaral naman po na sila.
Alright. So, Mark and Ma'am Norlinda, may apela pa po ba kayo sa gobyerno hinggil sa kasong ito? Is there anything else you want to ask of the government?
Actually, gusto namin parang i-high yung parang magiging penalty doon. If ever na pwede, pwede pa bang i-high yun? Yun ang gusto namin i-appeal. Kasi, ayun nga, like we said, na an eye for an eye.
Mhm.
Parang 15 years, parang ang baba naman kasi uway po eh. Tsaka grabe po yung ginawa sa atin. Sobra. May 4 na anak po siya na nandito. O hindi niya deserve ng ganun.
Alright. Thank you so much for being here. Maraming salamat para sa oras nyo. That was Mark Reyes and Ma'am Norlinda Cabiles. We will be taking a short break. This is The Source on CNN Philippines. Please stay tuned.